Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my daughter's Stitch Fix box for the month of May. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items for men and women, and children get 10 items sent to them in their boxes. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all the items in your box, then you get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide to keep nothing in the box, and then the $20 styling fee is just kept for the cost of putting the box together. One big difference between boxes for adults and boxes for children is that adults are getting a fixed preview where they can select up to 5 items to have sent to them in their box, and at this time children are not getting a fixed preview. For this box, we did ask Ashlynn's stylist to send her some items to help her transition into spring and summer. We're looking for those warm weather items like shorts, skirts, dresses, and tops and things like that. So we're going to get into the box to see what she got this month. Inside, you're going to have your prepaid mailer envelope. Shipping is free both ways. So you're going to use this envelope to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll use this bag. I love that shipping is free both ways. You're also going to have an envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is actually fix number 16 for Ashlynn. We usually get her fixes about every 2 to 3 months to help update her wardrobe. Also inside the envelope is a note from the stylist, and it shows a picture of all the items that are in this box. And so Ashlynn had the same stylist for a long time. Her name was Erica, but she moved on in the company, so she has a new stylist, and this is our first time with her, and her name is Carly. And it says, "Hi Ashlynn, happy fix day. My name is Carly, and I'm so happy to take over for Erica. I loved looking over your past fixes to see how I can continue to send you lots of pieces you can add to your closet. Your mom let me know that you were looking forward to getting ready for summer, so I popped in some new pieces with that in mind. I was unable to snag a denim jacket this time, but will keep my eyes peeled. You said you liked the high-low style of a maxi before, so I snatched this springy dress to try for church. Swap over to the printed skirt paired with the peach top for the sunshine. Have fun, Carly." And so we've got the note right here, and then we've got the items in her box pictured right here. So she has 2 bundles in her box, and so we're going to start with this one. Those are some really pretty colors. So the first item on the top is by Social Academy. It says the Bianca Sleeveless Woven Top with Rope Trim with matching pant set. So it's a full pant set. And so it has this little top right here with the rope trim at the top. It has a little keyhole in the front, but it also has a little keyhole with a button in the back. The colors are, it looks like navy with purple little flowers. I'll get up close so you can see the print. It feels a little like gauzy. I wonder what the material is. Let's take a look. So the material is 100% round, so it may shrink a little bit. So it's a pant set. So here's the top again. And the pants look like this. They have an elastic waist, so they're nice and stretchy. And they are just that same pattern all the way through. So that's really cute. I wonder if Ashlynn will like that. Very springy and summery. All right, next is by Crown of Hearts, the Lilo Cold Shoulder Tie Detail Top and Smocked Short Set in dark purple. So it's another set, but this time it's shorts instead of pants. And so here's the top. It says dark purple, but it almost looks burgundy. It has like a yellowish, creamish floral print on it. It's very soft. And it has like this little cold shoulder detail right here with a little tie right there. The ties are stitched so they won't come undone. Very, very soft. And then again, the shorts have that kind of stretchy waistband. They're really soft, and that's a really cute little set. Ashlynn likes her stuff to be comfy and cozy. Next is by the Commons, the prep tiered skirt in navy, and she's really been into skirts lately. And so here's this cute little skirt. It's navy and it has like peach and yellow and cream floral print. It's got that little stretchy waistband again. It does have some tiered ruffles here. Like, I don't know if you can see that right there, but there's like a tiered ruffle down here at the bottom. I'll get up close so you can see the print. And she did mention pairing this with a peach top that she put in the box. It does not have any shorts underneath of it, I don't think. Let me check. No shorts, so just a regular skirt, and that's really cute. I think Ashlynn will like that one. And then we have some jean shorts. She desperately needs some shorts because we need to size up. And this is by Hippie Girl, the Cassedy Cuff Denim Short in Indigo. It has a little sticker on it that says, throwback authentic denim with stretch. And so she likes distressed shorts, so it has some distressing here. It has a tacked frayed hem right here, which is nice. They're a light wash. So yeah, those are really cute. And she's had that brand before, and we've liked that for shorts. And now for the second bundle. Here's the second bundle, and you've got those really pretty colors in there as well. All right, first on top for this bundle is by RUMI and RYDER, the tie sleeve tee in light green. And so it's just a really cute, soft, light green top. It does have the little cold shoulder detail with the little tie right here. Very soft and stretchy. Good basic little top. Next is that peach top. It says walking on sunshine, Beeba halter top in peach. So it's this little peach halter style top. It's got this little texture right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not real long, so I think it would tuck into that skirt and be really cute. It's got that little detail, kind of like a racer back in the back. And that's the one that she suggested to go with the skirt. Next is by Crown of Hearts, the Rouched cap sleeve side tie top in light purple. All right, so it has kind of like a square looking neckline. It has like almost like a little poofy sleeve. It is ribbed. You see the texture right there. And it does have the ruching on the sides with the little tie detail at the bottom. Again, the tie is stitched, which is nice. So I think she'll like that one. Next is by Vintage Havana, Kourtney tiered gauze skirt in burnt orange, but it's really kind of a peachy pink color. So I wouldn't call that burnt orange. It does have that gauzy feel to it, so let's see what the material is. So it says that the shell is 40% cotton and 60% rayon, and the lining is 100% polyester. So it does have some rayon in it. So here's that skirt. It's tiered again. It does have a little tie, stretchy waistband, but it does have some shorts underneath of it for this one. So that's cute. Next, we have a pair of shorts by Bixby Nomad, the Smocked waist knit short in blue. And these are nice shorts to have because they're really stretchy and comfortable. They've got some striping on them. The striping looks like it has like a light green, like a mint green in it. So we might be able to put that little green top with it. Get up close so you can see that. The stripes are like green and then a medium blue and then kind of a lighter blue or almost cream color right there. So those are really cute. And lastly, we have a dress. This is by Xtradordinary, the Kenni Smocked high-low dress in mint. Here's what this dress looks like. So it's got some ruffled details. It is sleeveless. It is mint with a kind of like peachy, pinky, yellow floral print. It is not full length. It's kind of like a, maybe like knee length, but it does have like a high-low there. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have Ashlynn do a try on and we will be right back. All right guys, first two items, we have the Hippie Girl Cassedy Cuff Denim Short, and then we also have the Crown of Hearts Rouched cap sleeve side tie top. And so It has the ruching on the sides. It has the distressing on the shorts. It does have kind of like that square neckline around the top. And so, Ashlynn, what do you think about these two items?
I think these two items look good together. I could see myself wearing the top and the shorts together a lot. Okay. So I give this outfit 2 thumbs up.
All right, on to the next outfits. All right, next 2 items. On top, we have the RUMI and RYDER, the tie sleeve tee. And on bottom, we have the Bixby Nomad, the smocked waist knit short. And so the shorts are really soft and thin, and they have a little tie at the top. The stripes in the shorts actually match the light green top that she sent in the box. The top has like the cute little tie sleeves with the little cold shoulder there. And so we talked about that she could wear it tucked in or pulled up like she has it right now, or she could wear it over the tie if she wanted it to. So what do you think?
I give this outfit 2 thumbs up. I really like the pockets in the shorts, and also I think this top is really cute. And also I love this, the little cold shoulder, and also how there's like a little tie right here.
And both pieces are really super soft, aren't they? Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna try on the next outfit. All right, so we decided to try on this next item, the vintage Havana Kourtney tiered gauze skirt with the light green top, because that was the item that seemed to probably match it the most, or the purple top. But I'm sure she has stuff in her closet she could wear with it. So it has a little tie at the top. It does have shorts underneath of it. They're very light shorts. It is that really gauzy, crepey material. So Ashlynn, what do you think about the skirt?
I think this skirt is really cute. It could go with like a ton of things in my closet. And also, I really think this outfit together is really cute. Mm-hmm. So I give this outfit 2 thumbs up.
All right, cute little skirt with shorts underneath of it. On to the next. All right, so we're back with this next set outfit. This is by Crown of Hearts, the Lilo cold shoulder tie detail top and smocked short set in dark purple, but it's kind of like a burgundy color. This is really cute. It's got like the little stretchy waistband at the top. The material is super soft. It has the cute little cold shoulder detail on the top. I see you're feeling, are there any pockets?
No.
There are no pockets, but she was trying to put her hands in the pockets, but it has, show them the cute little shoulder detail. So it's got a little cold shoulder with a little cute little tie on the sleeve. All right, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I give this outfit 2 thumbs up. The only thing I'm disappointed about is there's no pockets.
Yeah, I saw you trying to put your hands in your pockets. So.
I was like...
But it's a really cute little, comfy little dressy outfit. So, all right, we're going to try on the next outfit. All right, we are back with this dress by Xtradordinary. This is a Kenni Smocked high-low dress in mint. And so Ashlynn has a mint dress that she got from Stitch Fix, but it was a full-length maxi dress. But this reminds me a lot of that dress. So it has a high-low hem, which means the front is short and the back is long. The front comes to about the knee length. It does have ruffle detail on the front, but also it goes around in the back. There's a little keyhole in the back there. So what do you think about that dress?
I give this dress 2 thumbs up. I can see myself wearing it to church a lot.
It's just a really cute dress for church. What do you think?
I love it. Okay. I give this thing 2 thumbs up.
All right, we're going to try on the next outfit. All right, back with these next 2 items. And on top, she has the Walking on Sunshine Beeba halter top. And on the bottom, she has by the Commons, the prep tiered skirt. And so, Ashlynn, what do you think about this outfit?
I think this outfit, the way that I put it, looks like a dress.
It's cute.
It would be a really cute dress if it was a dress.
Now this skirt does not have shorts underneath of it, and she tucked the halter top in. And we had to adjust her bra to be like a racer back bra, but go ahead and turn around and show the back of the shirt. Lift your hair. Has like that racer back detail. The skirt has a tiered look with an extra little ruffle right here, right? Mm-hmm. What do you think?
I love this outfit. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up.
All right, we're going to try on the last outfit. All right, guys, we're back with this last outfit, and this is the Social Academy Bianca sleeveless woven top with rope trim with matching pant set, and it's this little outfit. Ashlynn said it reminds her of pajamas, but it's a little flowy outfit. Come on up to the camera and show them the rope detail around the neck. It's very gauzy because it's made of that rayon material. The pants, lift up the top, have a stretchy smocked waistband. It doesn't have pockets.
Yes.
So you could really wear this top out, or you could tuck it in either way. But we also talked about you could put the purple shirt with those pants and wear that top with something else if you wanted to. So what do you think about this outfit?
I love this outfit, even though I think it's for pajamas.
So you like that outfit?
Yes.
So it's just a cute little outfit. She could wear it to church. All right. We're going to get changed and we'll be back to talk about prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And overall, this was another great fix for Ashlynn. Her stylist did a great job for her first time, and it seemed like she got a lot of items because she sent her a couple different set outfits. So, on top is the Crown of Hearts Lilo cold shouldered tie detail top and smock short set, and that was this one in dark purple. She ended up liking this a lot more than she thought she would, and this set is $26. Next is by Social Academy, the Bianca sleeveless woven top with rope trim with matching pant set. And she ended up liking this one a lot more than I thought she would too. That was this outfit right here. And this one is the priciest item. It's $34. It is a little bit big on her, but I think she'll get some wear out of it since she'll be able to wear it for a little while. Next is by Hippie Girl, the Cassedy cuff denim short in indigo. And these are $28, and these fit her perfectly. We probably need to get her some more denim shorts. And then next is the Bixby Nomad, the smocked waist knit short in blue, and that was these shorts. And she really, really liked how soft and comfy these shorts were. They had the little pocket detail, which was really cute, and it matched that little mint top really well. And these are $18. Next is the Crown of Hearts, the Rouched cap sleeve side tie top in light purple. And that's this one. She thought it was cute, and the cost of this one was $18. Next is by the Commons, the prep tiered skirt in navy, and that was $22. And she loved this skirt with that little peach halter top, and it's really soft. The next item was by Vintage Havana, the Kourtney tiered gauze skirt in burnt orange. And this one was $26, and she liked this skirt. She's really into skirts and skirts and things like that right now, so she really liked that. Here's that cute little halter top that she liked with that skirt. This is by Walking on Sunshine, the Beeba halter top in peach, and it is $20. And then we have the RUMI and RYDER, the tie sleeve tee in light green. That was this one with the cold shoulder detail. And it is $14, paired well with the navy shorts with the stripes. And then she really liked this dress by Xtradordinary, the Kenni Smocked high-low dress in mint. And it was $26. And so her stylist pick subtotal was $232. The buy all discount takes off $58. Which leaves us with an order subtotal of $174, but you get to deduct the $20 styling fee, so the cost of this box will be $154. So you're averaging about $15 per item in this box, and I think that's a pretty good deal for everything that she got. So you guys tell me what you think. We love Stitch Fix for our whole entire family. It's just really nice and convenient. It's nice that you can try it on at home and ship it back for free if it doesn't work. So if you have any questions, let me know, and until next time, bye guys.